Hi guys! Hi mga kamamshi! For today's video, I'm going to kagod the nyog. Shred the nyog, shredding. It's shredding. I've already washed the kudkuran. Ako yung ingay. Oops. Okay, wait. Because it's noisy, so I use plate, and then I will just transfer this one in the here. Like sounds like that. This is mano-mano, called mano-mano in Tagalog. Okay, in our language we were going to kagod the nyog like this. Okay. This is my life. Very nice, by the grace of God. This is how it looks like now. So it looks like this. Put it in the planggana. Put it in the planggana na maliit. And then continue to kagod. Continue to kudkod the nyug. The coconut. Coconut is a giant nut. When you eat too much, you get very fat. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. The coconut tree is a giant tree. When you eat too much, you get very fat. Oh my goodness. But this is how the nyog looks like this. Okay, mga kamamis, brothers and sisters, this is called mano-mano. Mano-mano, kaguran, ganon. Mano-mano. I will mute first because Jiko is shouting. Jiko, you're so noisy, huh? I'm making video, but you are noisy. You're interrupting my video. You know? Good. But this is the real good. This is the real situation here. This is the way how you can survive your life, your lifestyle. My lifestyle in summer and in Manila is different, you know, but I am so happy, contented, mama. What more can I ask for? This is what God's plan for me. Come to visit, to stay here. My pit is ligit-ligit. Really, it's very hard. It's hard to do this, like, you know, because the coconut tree, the coconut is very hard-headed. The coconut is very hard-headed. So that's why it's hard also to kagod, to kudkod like that. Kudkuran. So now you know how what I'm going to do for the coconut. Coconut nut is a giant nut. Agoy, ginawa ko. So that's it for now. don't That's it for now. I will end na this live because I'm not comfortable na too much by showing all the details because I am so exhausted and exhausted. No, I'm just kidding. I'm fine. And I thank you so much for all of you for watching. Bye and God bless. This is my kitchen. That's the rimas, the balat, garbage. I will talk that one later when I get done. Kud the nyog. Okay? Bye.